a giant coastal salamander.
Gigantic coastal specific salamander is one of the few salamanders that bark. Well, in my opinion, it sounds more like a growl.
Woo. We found him under that log.
Salamanders are amazing creatures. Did you know that salamanders have some really cool abilities? Many salamanders are bioluminescent, which means that they glow in the dark. They're pretty awesome. And some mushrooms also glow in the dark. Amphibians like frogs, toads, and salamanders are known as an indicator species. They are extremely sensitive to changes in the environment and can give scientists insight on how an ecosystem is functioning. Most salamanders can grow back limbs if they are lost in a battle or escaping a predator. They can even regenerate a whole head. Some salamanders are poisonous, which means that you can't touch them, otherwise you'll get poisoned. It's in the name. And they're not venomous. Venomous is if they bite you and it's deadly, and poisonous is poisonous to the touch. I love salamanders because they're just nice.
I found a Shasta alligator lizard, and he eats black widows, and he's sunbathing in my hand right now because he's a cold-blooded creature. He's very gentle. He just licked me.